After students move through course selection and profile setup, they reach the application form. This is where the process becomes much more practical because the platform starts turning off all of that collected information into actual application workflow. What makes this especially useful is that a lot of the information is pulled in automatically from my profile. So instead of asking students to re-enter the same personal details, education history, and preferences again and again, the system carries that information forward to the form. That saves time, reduces repetition, and also helps lower the chance of mistakes. The platform also makes it clear where the form currently stands. Students can quickly understand whether it's still being completed, under review, or already approved. That visibility is important because it removes a lot of the uncertainty from the process and gives both the student and consultant a clearer sense of progress. It also supports to help a more organized workflow because students can move through the form step by step rather than feeling like they're starting from scratch. Since much of the core information is already there, the focus becomes checking, completing, and submitting rather than rebuilding everything manually. And if there's a saved record or a downloadable version available, that adds another layer of clarity. Students can keep track of what has already been submitted, stay organized, and feel more confident as they move into the next stage of the application process.